Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Among Us crewmate with an Among Us imposter next to him, kind of hiding like a knife. It's going to be a cool little layout. Yeah, it's only 8 minutes or so, the video, so stick around for the entire video and you'll know how to do the whole thing. This is for beginners, so if you're a complete beginner and you don't know how to draw this, you should be able to draw this very easily, I think. So let's get started, okay? Before that, if you like learning how to draw video games, you like learning how to, basically draw anything and having it broken down into like 8 to 10 minute videos for you to learn at your leisure, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. When you do that, it's gonna just start showing up on your feed a couple of these thumbnails. You'll be like, oh cool, like I'll draw that today, But all right, let's get started. What I'm gonna do here is draw just straight up crewmate first, to the right over here. And I'm going to, well, you know what I'm going to do? I think I'm going to draw the imposter first with the knife behind his back. I'm going to start right here with the hand. And we're going to have to draw a hand for this. So we draw a curved, just a small curved line. And this is going to be a thumb. Right there, that's a thumb. Line in for the bottom of the thumb, and I'm going to draw that knife in his hand now. So here's the handle of the knife. Line up for the knife. I'm going to actually draw the edge of the knife, or the dull side of the knife first, so. Up over here, that's the dull side. And now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to curve back and draw the rest of it. Right? So he's got that knife in his behind. So this is thumb and the knife so far. Let's draw the rest of the hand so the fingers are wrapping around it. So like a bump here, a bump here, a bump here. Let's do like 3 fingers on that. So it's kind of like a 4-finger hand overall. Let's draw the bottom of the palm, like this part of the hand, like the bottom part. So we're going to go over here and I'm going to draw that. All right. And so now we're going to do is we're going to draw the backpack because he's turning away from us. He's turning away from the camera. And we're going to go over here and I'm going to curve out, draw down. This is the backpack only we're drawing. I'm going to catch the line on the other side. Curve here. Down. Curve underneath. Straight across. Curve up. Okay. I know it looks like some sort of abstract art thing right now, but stay with me. That's the backpack from the back, from behind. If you look at the crewmate from behind, or crewmate, the imposter, I guess, but it's a crewmate design from behind. I'm gonna go over here and curve for the top of the head. Curve, or go straight right here. Curve down. You're gonna pull this line all the way down because we're trying to pull it all the way down to the feet, the foot area. Going over here, down. Curve for the bottom of the foot. They got like teddy bear feet. They're big, all square and whatever. Up, across for underneath. And then you're going to have the other foot wrap around here, okay? Curve up. Okay, so this is him turning away. We're going to have his viewport lens over here on the side. You're barely going to be able to see it. Barely going to be able to see it around the corner there. If you want, you can put like a line through it to make it look like a shine. That's that shine effect that we normally do. So he's turning away from the camera. He's looking at, who is he looking at? He's going to look at a crewmate. And we're going to draw the crewmate a little bit smaller to make him look like he's far away. So let's start drawing this other crewmate over here. We're gonna go over here and draw a line at the top, but again, he's gonna be smaller. Curve from the side here, curve on the side. This is like a bloated box we're drawing. Curve underneath. Gonna go top here, in front of the forehead. Going back to the top of the head. Curving a line down. Why did I say curving a line down? Just pulling a line down to the foot. Line down here for the front here. Curve in, up. Same kind of feet, teddy bear feet. Line underneath the waist here, down. Same thing. All right. I'm gonna find the backpack, which is at the level of the viewport, the lens there. Curve in. Gonna go on this side, curve up, because I'm putting in that reflective surface. I like to put like a thicker line in there sometimes. And the one thing is, you know, you want to make him look like he's far away. So one thing you can do is you can draw like maybe a shadow on the floor here, like maybe a line, maybe a couple of lines like so, like the shadow, like he's, and then maybe a shadow over here. So it looks like they're, just draw these lines across like that. You know? It makes it look like they're on solid ground, so that it won't look like he's a floating tiny crewmate. It'll look like he's standing at a distance, like, hey, what are you doing? You know? And then that's the crewmate scene right there. If you want, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you want more stuff like this, like, you know, these interactions between crewmates, let me know and I'll do a lot more of them, but just give me some scenarios and I could do it, okay? Write them in the comment section. If you don't have any ideas, just say hi to me in the comments, because then I'll know you're listening to my voice right now. And it's cool to know that you like watched up until this point. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Go check through the description. There's a lot of cool stuff that'll make you a better artist if that's your goal. And that is pretty much it. As far as announcements go, if you want to help the channel out, you can do that by sharing the video with a friend that you think might enjoy it, sharing it on a forum, sharing it anywhere. Maybe sharing it on a Facebook group or Twitter handle or anything like that, or a Tumblr page. I appreciate all the love, and you guys are awesome. I will talk to you next time, okay? Stay safe, and yeah, keep it easy.